until the 18th. So, um, most probably, naa sa around 20 na siya. Pagbalik na nato sa 20, dapat ready na ang first demonstrator. So, we will pick that out through a doc race. So, I've given you numbers. Kinsa to ang first two, ang maoy mo demo on March 20. You are given 40 minutes to present your online demonstration. There is a time limit of 40 minutes. Mo exceed na gani mo sa time, there are deductions per minute, no? And then at the same time, if dili jud niyo mahuman ang tibuok jud nga unod sa inyong lesson plan within 40 minutes, so there will be a deduction as well. So the key there is to limit your time na lang with the with the what do you call this, motivation, and then pati sa evaluation, assignment, and then even the content. I know it's unrealistic kay kung buto na naon kung dili to mahuman within 45 minutes ang discussion, there is always gonna be next meeting. Mama dyan na sa real setup dyan, no? Oh, but since this is a demonstration, um, I will evaluate you, no, with the contents dyan siya kung kompleto tanan from motivation down to assignment baron or evaluation. So, mo dyan na ang, or assessment, no? Mo dyan na ang ako ang basihan. Okay? Although it's not realistic to put it frankly, you know, it's not realistic kay kung di man mahuman, we can always have next meeting. Maman na siya in the real world setup, no? But I'm doing this so that kanang at least ba it's one way to evaluate you as students pod. Okay, dili man ni siya like typical normal discussion, ko naman ni siya demonstration. Okay? So, mo pick out ko og two students from the doc race para na ay fair pud, no? Nakuan ang computer na mo pili sa inyo, ha, based on the numbering akong gihatag ninyo, and then mo pili na po ko another for 25 and 27. So 6 tanan ka docs ang ako ang pilion for this afternoon. Okay? And then again, for those who do not know how to make use of Google Meet, you have to practice. You have to make sure nga maigo siya within 40 minutes, because again, no, a lot of things can happen. Yeah, make sure pa ninyo nga kabalo na mo, dili pa nga on the spot pa mo discover sa mga buttons, no, nga na or features within Google Meet. So again, you generate your own Google Meet link. You just copy it. You make use of your CSR email so that everyone can access without you having to accept their request. And then, make sure nga okay ang imuhang audio, ang imuhang sounds, makadungog kasi mong estudyante. And mo ni siya permi ang dalaman nga, ma'am, wala mo gud may laptop, ma'am, wala may internet connection. Inyuhan na jud na siya nga huna-huna o no, kay kanang it's part naman of the evaluation nga kung ikuan. This is until kung di mo humalog midterm, this is until finals, no. So, more siya, think of it as our kanang performance task na jud na siya. So, dako kay siya nga percentage sa inyo po nga grades when you do the demonstration. And then, please include, no, I would want you to include katong mga like bamboozle baron. I-limit lang ninyo, no, siguro pagtulo ra imong tuksoon. Basta naalan joy presentation of technology. Like na ay bamboozle baron, na ay quizzes, na ay, what do you call this? Itong mga other word wall, Mentimeter, no, depende na kung unsay mga different technological tools inyong integrate. Dili lang pwede nga PowerPoint lang inyong i-present. There should be other pa jud nga platform for i-appeal ba ninyo na siya sa inyong as evaluation or short activity, or i-appeal nimo siya as motivation. Dapat na ako'y makita nga ing ana. Okay? So again, no, pag share screen, dapat kabalo na mo mag-share screen na ara man na dira. Kung ginahan ka nga a certain tab lang, like for example kaning doc games, nya makadungog mo sa audio ani. So instead of share entire screen, you could just click share this tab, like the doc race tab, and then naare murag ma-click sa ubos nga i-share with audio. Okay? So kamo na bahala explore, 'di ba? Sige na taog mention how in the new curriculum, like matatag, students are encouraged to discover on their own. So I am also encouraging you as college students. You're no longer in the basic education department, so I'm encouraging you to also explore on your own, and you don't have to rely nga I have to spoon feed everything. So just a piece of advice lang jud nga you have to go through you have to explore Google Meet. you have to do like kanang dry run. Taas na kayo ang given time sa katong first ka mo demonstrate because makabalo naman mo daan karon pa lang daang adlaw kung kinsa na ang mo demo on March 20. So you have plenty of time to prepare your PowerPoint, everything. Ma'am, unsay basihan for our demonstration? Your lesson plan. 'Di ba? Kabantay mo nga no, ang lesson plan na kung gihimo as your prelim exam, it is because you will use that same lesson plan for your online demonstration. Ma'am, can we shorten what is in our lesson plan? Yes, you can. Because again, your lesson plan is intended for like 45 minutes to an hour discussion. Sometimes gani dili pa siya mahuman ng adlaw, ma-proceed pa siya sa next meeting. So, in order to make it to like 40 minutes nga intact and complete tanan ang content sa lesson plan, you have to shorten. Either within the lesson proper, you would only get the important parts there. Okay? Like dili ta tibuok topic, like half of it lang imong i-discuss so that you will have plenty of time for assessment baron or activity. Kamo na bala mo diskarte. Because again, you are encouraged as a curricularist. So, mao na siya. Ha? Inyo na siya nga murag initiative, no? Or inyo na siya nga kuan kung how you do it, how you present it, okay? So, I will give lang a warning. For example, if 5 minutes left na lang, so I will just place on a chat box baron or sa messenger nga you have 5 minutes left. So, I will not disturb, ha, not unless nga kanang maglisod jud. So, dili na pwede nga on the day pa sa demonstration, mingon pa ka nga, asa gani to, unsaon gini pag share screen, o dili na maka-consume siya og time. Dapat pag klase pa lang daan nimo, preparado na ka. Okay? Kaya ang lesson plan is your roadmap, no, on what to discuss, but as a teacher, kinahanglan nga preparado na jud ka before ka magklase. Purya na lang namong mga nagdugay na sa pagmaestra no nga balag wa mi silabos kabalo na mi unsay klase na mo sunod no. Pero especially kamo nga you are going to that kind of profession no, kinahanglan jud nga naa jud mo lesson plan, align pod siya sa inyong gi-discuss, preparahan jud na ninyo siya. Okay? When I was still like first year, second year na ko in teaching mo jud na no, mag dry run ko no, mag-study ko sa akong slides. I do dry runs po no, in kaso mapalpak, di ba? So nakasabot ra tanan on what are our expectations for the demo. Okay. Okay. So before ko mo choose og 6 docs no who will have the demonstration by the remaining meetings within this month of March, manog month of March pa di ay, manog month of March, do you have any questions or things that you would like to clarify when it comes to, preparing the online demo? Wala na, murag klaro ra sa tanan. Okay, murag wala naman siguro no. So, as much as possible, if you can submit the lesson plan by tomorrow, that would be great. Okay, I would make that as a basis. So, muhatag pug ko sa evaluation form, unsay basihan na mo sa classroom demonstration, which is mo po'y ginagamit actually nilang sister or namo nga mga program heads when we do class observation sa mga teachers. So, mura po na akong gamiton sa inyo ha, nga classroom observation form. So that makabalo na mo pud mo ahead of time kung unsa ang mga kanang basis ba sa paggrado sa inyo ha. Second, I will also make use of your lesson plan. So as much as possible, I would like to have it printed. Again, short bond paper times New Roman 12. Kay para once I collect your lesson plans, ini ka-time na nimo nga mo demo, that's the time nga ako pong kuha nimong lesson plan, then i-evaluate ka. Okay? So ha, pressure test ni siya, we have to capsulize everything in 45 minutes. If malapas or if di mahuman, there will be deductions. Depende kung asa ka kutob na putol. So, again, please make use of the time nga wala me by next week, no? Make use of that entire week to prepare na in advance for your demo. And then for April nga batch, sa March 20 na nako mo draw lots na pod ko no through doc race. Sa March 20 ko mo kuha na pod og mga new batches for April nga demonstrators. Until mahurot jud mo tanan, no? So, there are 41 no sa numbering. nako dire sa lesson plan. So this is nag-share tab lang ko so that madunggan ninyo ang tingog no, naka-free lang ni siya. So instead of names kay daghan kayo mo guys no, then ako gikapoy na ko og koan kanang edit. So um I'll just go with numbers. So that's 41. Okay, let me just open katong 41. Na-skip siya nga mga numbers, so sige lang. And then I'll just set it to 10 seconds. So this is seconds, minutes, and hours. So 10 seconds lang each ang duration sa race kay para dali po kita mo man no. 6 ra ko ang kwaon. Okay? Mag-base sa ato ang schedule. So ang first two ani will be for March 20. Then next is 25 and then 27. Okay, so good luck. Wait lang, let me set this one. Wait lang, I'll go back here. Wait lang, let me share. Ako siyang i-open picture in picture so that I can also see you while we start the race. Okay, so muna ni siya tanan. Let us start now with our duck race. Okay, so we have number 40 and that is Ortega Jessel. You will be the first one to present on March 20. Okay, so ko lang ibutang diri ha. March 20 Ortega Jessel. Okay, next one. Ito si Donald Trump. Okay, we have 6. So number 6 is Cabanas Rizal. Naa si Cabanas ron or mag-ni-appeal siya sa ko ano. Pero si Ortega Jessel naa siya. Okay, so silang duha sa March 20. Let's now go to March 25. Next, 2 na po. You can cheer on your duck if you want. And we have number 4, Balmeo Janet. So, siya ang una for... Guys, ayaw ko tagay ka ng ma'am. Wala pa ko na ready ha. Kay maguba siya nga to ang numbering, Jude. So, gitagaan naman mo ahead of time og schedule. Himuan na inyong mga kuan kanang PowerPoint inyong mag-prepare na mo daan sayo kay ko nang hatag. So, dili na ko mo daw og excuse nga walay internet or not unless if it's like kanang emergency na jud kaayo no, pero kanang gitagaan naman nga time di na siya kumo daw og other excuses no. You have to be responsible, you are third year already no, nya teachers pa jud no, so you have to fully commit with the schedule that is given to you. So ngita siya mo paagi asa mo mangitag internet, stable internet connection nga okay ang inyong camera nga okay ang inyong device. If you want to borrow a laptop you have to do that, ikausa ra jud na siya. So mangita jud mo paagi no, kanang mga trivial reasons I will not accept it kay college naman mo, you have to do ko ano kanang dili naman naingon nga kanang mo sabot lang tag mo sabot man mi no, pero kanang mga ginagmay lang butang nga pwede mapreparahan ahead of time, pwede ra jud tani na siya mapreparahan no nya dili na mi ana mo kan kanang walay internet taas sa panahon wala jud nag-prepare. So please di na ko mo kuan ha, kung importante jud kaayo dira pa ko mo consider. So kung kabalo na mo sa imong schedule i-ready na tanan, the device, the internet, everything ikaw mismo pod, you yourself. Okay, okay, next na pod for 25. Okay, we have 31, Arwin Vergara. Oh, patay man. Okay, so next na pod, we have 27. Pakpak na si Carissa. Okay, klaro kay wa man siya napili. Happy kay siya. Okay, we will okay, so last two na pod for the month of March. Unya na po to sa March 20 mo pili for April. Okay, good luck. Bida-bida siya ng 35 oh. Ay, walay 35. Sorry, walay 35. Blanco ang 35. Race again na po ta. Okay, so wala pa yung 27. Let's start. Okay, we have Sabroso, Hervey Joy for Sabroso, Hervey Joy for 27. March 27. Okay, last one. Sara ba ang mapaulahi? Mora ba'y maun na usahay? And Merry Chris. Tabunda. Perti yung pagkapakpak jud ni ko an Kariso wa siya napili. Tabunda Merry Chris. So paki-prepare na ha ang na naman mo yung idea sa inyo hang lesson plan. March 27. Oo. March 20. Okay, so on March 20 would be Ortega Jessel and Cabanas Rezal. March 25 will be Balmeo Janeth and Vergara Arwin. And then March 27, Sabroso Hervey Joy and Tabunda Mary Chris. No? So, set of wheel of names, I usually would do this kasi it's much more thrilling this way. Actually, pwede mo siya tag 10 minutes kung ginadyo ka mas thrilling, no? Kaya the longer the race, na ay possibility nga the docs at the back would actually lead the race at the end part na. If shorter lang, like 10 seconds, usually kung kidsay mauna mo, naman po na ang makadaog. So, that's the thrill of it, no? Usually you can have it like 1 minute, may ana, if you have the kuan siya, no? They have the luxury of time if dili nga nakadaghan imong estudyante, no? Oral recitation, indot pa niya siya, no, ang doc race for those who are not yet familiar with this one. Again, the longer the race, the more exciting it is. So, mao na siya. Wait lang. Do you have any questions before we end? Nana siya kadali ako ang meeting sa inyo ha. Pwede na siyang pagkadali Briefing na dyan siya kay gamay pa man kaayo mo no kay nag demo nag recollection pa man. So, ang KWL introduce na lang nako. At least kabalo naman mo unsay matabo na sa Tuesday kay naguna-una na po ko og reveal sa akong i-discuss. So KWL and then we will do an activity on it again. Sige siya tagpa-activity. Kapoy jud kay kukuyogon jud pero ana jud na siya. Um murag practice lang po ninyo no kay basta magmaestra walay kahumanan nga kuan. Magbuhat jud og kuan mga forms, lesson plans and all. So do you have any questions before we will have our attendance? Mag-attendance ko kay syempre ning anhi man jud mo, aning meet man jud mo nako this afternoon. None. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wala naman po, no? So, klaro naman po siguro to sa tanan. Anyway, I have recorded everything here sa tuang session so that the others who are in the module set up, maka-view sila later. Yes, Jeannie? Okay. Thank you, Miss Jeannie. Okay, so once I call your name, kindly click the raise hand button ha. We'll start with Johnson, Balmeo, Janet. Okay. Okay. Kindly inform me if kanang synergy sila or recollection sila ha so that they will be excused. J-Lo, Razal. Okay. So Razal is excused. Cherry Lynn, Risa, Raisan, Daman-daman. Okay. Janie. Irene. Crystal Ortega. Keisha Pardillo. John Ray. Krista Palen. Carol Shane. Geraldine Solitario. Okay. Angelo Francis Taburada. Mary Chris. Carissa. Roslyn Agravante. Okay. Kisha Damandaman. Ian James Etang. Okay. Ah, by the way ba, wala na gasulod si Roel Canoy sa inyo nga class, no? Okay. Kay, wala, kay wala lang kayo nag-ask mong gud ang sa, kuan ba sa LGU. Kay April, Remrose, Alexel, Orantoy, Hervey Joy, Marshall, John Alfred, okay. Arvin Vergara, Tapanan Chrislyn, ay sorry, wala din ni siya. Ruiz Renalyn, Lovely, Antonial, Fajardo Phil, Barbecho, Bakudo Gian, Jessel Ortega. Okay, so thank you so much everyone for joining us today, no, for a very short lang siya nga meeting with regards to your online demonstration. Okay, so I will be expecting your submissions tomorrow. Actually, rest day sa service tomorrow. So, but I will be here man sa morning because I will be recording the test paper scores and then making the grades as well. So, sa inyo ha, sa TTL, dili pa rin ako na mahatag inyong grades. Probably by next week, basta na sa next week na ko ma-release ang inyong grades. Probably sa March 10. Basta makasubmit lang siya mo on time tomorrow sa inyong lesson plan. If yun na mo kaabot na ako, no, kay buntag raman ko na, kay rest day naman na mo sa service tomorrow, no, pwede ra ibutang sa ko ang table, naaman siya pun ko sa Sabado, kuwaon ra na ako na on Saturday after my masteral class. Okay? So, thank you so much everyone. See you next week, Tuesday. Thank you. Discussion na ta next week. Thank you everyone. Bye-bye.